Hey everyone, it's Keith, and I'm back with my Scion. Now it has 300,000 miles. I've made a couple videos in the past, and there's really not a lot new to report. I haven't had any issues at all with the car in quite some time, probably about 4 years now. Still the original clutch, still the original exhaust. The only thing I replaced lately was some tires. Even though this car has 300,000 miles on it, it really rides and drives like something much lower than that. The suspension is still really tight. I have never replaced the shocks or the struts. The steering is still tight. There's no play or slop in the steering. Brakes are good. The car continues to get nearly 30 miles to the gallon. The air conditioning blows out ice cold. It really runs and drives like a car, much lower mileage. So here's what a 300,000 mile engine looks like. It's really dirty, and I'll admit I don't really take as much care of it as I probably should. These bolts here are rusted to remove the cover to get access to the spark plugs. I don't even remember the last time I changed them. The only thing that's ever been done to this engine, 300,000 miles, is I changed the fan belt here, and it's probably due to be replaced again. It's got a timing chain, so that doesn't need to be replaced. I've never even put fluid in the brakes or the clutch. This battery here, I think, goes back to 2013. So I really haven't had to do a lot with this. It's just been Toyota reliability. Well, this is kind of a short video. I don't really know what else to say about the Scion with 300,000 miles. I haven't had to do a lot with it in quite a long time. I've never had a vehicle with so many miles that required so little maintenance. I've just never had anything quite like this. Do you guys think this thing is going to go to 500,000 miles? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. Drop any comments or questions, or even share your own Scion XB experiences in the comments below. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Bye.